Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial component for owners of the DJI MG-1P Agras drone, the replacement GPS module. If you've experienced issues with your drone's navigation or positioning system, chances are the original GPS module might be damaged or failing. This specific product is presented as a 100% original, brand new accessory designed specifically to replace that faulty part. The importance of using original parts for professional equipment like the Agras drone cannot be overstated, especially when it comes to something as critical as the GPS system, which dictates flight paths and precision spraying. This module is described as being of high quality, intended for professional use, suggesting it meets the rigorous standards required for agricultural operations. One of the standout features mentioned is the ease of installation. For drone operators who rely on their equipment for their livelihood, minimizing downtime is essential. A straightforward replacement process means less time grounded and more time working. This ease of installation is coupled with what's described as fine craftsmanship, indicating attention to detail in the manufacturing process, which is vital for the reliability of electronic components in a demanding environment. Furthermore, the module is highlighted for its durability, wear resistance, and long lifetime. Agricultural drones operate in varied weather conditions and environments, often exposed to dust, moisture, and vibrations. A component built to withstand these factors ensures consistent performance and reduces the likelihood of needing frequent replacements. This longevity contributes to the overall cost-effectiveness and reliability of maintaining the drone. Essentially, this replacement GPS module for the DJI MG-1P Agras drone offers a direct solution for a common problem. It provides drone owners with a reliable, high-quality, and durable option to restore their drone's full navigation capabilities using an original part. Its design focuses on ease of replacement and long-term performance, making it a practical choice for keeping these essential agricultural tools operational. It's presented as a necessary accessory for anyone needing to repair a damaged original GPS module, ensuring the drone can continue its professional tasks accurately and efficiently.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.